Mom, I am hungry.
Me too. When is dinner ready?
Today, you two are going to help me cook. Us? Cook?
But we do not know how.
That is why we are doing it together. Wash your hands first.
Okay. Hands are clean. What are we making?
Tonight we are making vegetable fried rice.
Fried rice! I love fried rice.
Maya, can you count the vegetables? We need 2 carrots, 1 onion, and some green peas.
2 carrots, 1 onion, green peas. Ready, Mom?
Leo, your job is to crack 2 eggs into this bowl.
Gently now. Okay, Mom. Tap it on the edge. Oh,
Some shell went in. That is okay. Use your fingers to pick it out. Try again.
I did it! Clean egg, no shell.
Mom, how do I cut the carrot?
Always curl your fingers like a claw when you hold the vegetable. This protects your fingers.
Like this?
Yes, exactly like that. Good girl.
Chef Grace's kitchen is open!
Wow! Why does it make that sound?
When cold food touches a hot pan, the water inside evaporates very fast. That is the sizzle.
Cooking is science too.
Now stir the vegetables. Keep them moving so they do not burn.
My arm is tired. Cooking takes patience and effort.
That is why we appreciate our food.
This is the best fried rice I ever had.
Because you made it with your own hands. Food always tastes better when you cook it with love.
Remember, kids, learning to cook simple meals is a skill you will use your whole life. Stay healthy.
What is your favorite food to eat? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Sip by Sip English. See you next time.
Sophie, breakfast is ready.
I cannot speak. My voice is completely gone.
Don't try to force it. Your voice is resting right now.
Look at Sophie. She wanted to join the English contest. How can a silent girl win a speech prize? It is impossible!
Hey, Sophie. Don't listen to them. You don't need your voice to tell a beautiful story.
Use this notebook. Write down your feelings. We will help you practice for the big contest every single day. My words are not dead. They are alive right here on this paper. I will show everyone.
Is Sophie. She will share her English story today.
But isn't this the girl who lost her voice? How will she perform?
Just standing there, she can't even say a word. An empty whiteboard? What is her plan?
Go ahead, Sophie.
Show them your magic. True bravery is not about a loud voice. It is about a strong heart. My friends saved me in the dark, and love gave me hope.
But her English storytelling was the most moving piece today. Ladies and gentlemen, first prize goes to Sophie!
Hello, friends. Sometimes life takes away something important, but your inner strength can shock everyone. Never give up on your goals. If you want to learn English step by step with our stories, please subscribe to Sip by Sip English. Turn on the notifications and never miss an adventure. See you next time!